Big salute for country people them. When I sabi say when Saturday with the shidong for Tori House for inside Douala, begin sitting where don't pass for inside week. Today too na number 10 day for inside the month. We day inside so we for this year too, and plenty things they don't pass even for the week where it be start before they finish it today. So we go begin the chakara other thing them, take na big one them, look at inside, see whether I come to get for the go now for before or for back. If that thing them continue they happen. People them too day way them could they talk. No be me one I could they talk today. Plenty people them day way them could they talk and they could they check their own sense too for things them way it they happen for country. As how we the ever start, we go tell when people them way they go begin the chakra story with we today how we go they go now for before. For my other side for hand again Oga way them they call say now for me Joseph when Oga kwata for Wikuda where them day inside Douala or country people them or people them where they look to now them go begin here to how we the chakra story with we. Oga for me Joseph, welcome.
Thank you.
You day for Tori House today say me begin the knock Tori how your body day?
My body day fine.
Okay, come good.
Thank you.
Think them done the work out for Cameroon. In the day how you feel bad, you feel fine?
Think when the work out for Cameroon, I know they feel happy at all because now my country, I love my country, and I want to say my country to go before. When I see all the crisis where Cameroon get them, it disturbed me. So I not be happy at all.
Now to you be Oga kwata, you day way you they look at plenty people them with them day inside Douala. Sometimes them they talk say you get like 15,000 people them with them day inside Douala where you they look at them. When you ever talk with them, that thing so they worry them plenty, them they feel na waiting, they feel na how.
Yes, when I ever talk with them, they know they feel happy at all because they want to make this country go before. So as I don't already talk, when disturbances they be, it could touch everybody. They could feel bad because they want to make their country go for before as I don't talk. Any man wants to make a country go for before, you know want to say country go for back.
Thank you very much. Not be only Oga for me Joseph could talk you one. We get to some big Oga where it day with we inside here. Oga he be teacher man and in name where we get na Oga Julius Gangbobga where he be teacher man he be Oga kwata for place where picking them they ever go school they call him na destiny he owns more picking that school inside that side for Bepanda and na time to way picking them they prepare for enter inside school for September na big Oga too he don't come say me begin the check sense for on top that matter. Oga, welcome.
Thank you very much.
How your body day?
No, I did feel fine. I did feel fine.
Okay, time where they so them they look out, they ask question whether could they have for September and for thing we concern inside Northwest and Southwest. Una day una for Douala, you will big Oga for school too. That mean you know they worry you because say a school day in inside Douala.
No, it worry all man because even if school day for inside Douala, school not to go for inside your own village, you'll be worried. You know, it takes sense for you go meet up people them where they not get sense. We pray all we na say, may everything be normal. May a very good terrain be way. Enough it affect government, enough it affect the civilians so that they begin them, they fit go school. When you want kill man, destroy a country, destroy the educational system. So now we pray and say, may everything be normal so that Pekin the fit go school and Papa the send Pekin for school. We not get no fear for it.
Okay, we will begin the inside tourism for the ask you something them even for thing we don't talk until we take eye, we take what hear them, see them, hear them inside we could look to where they for corner side as how we ever start before we could the chakra to where we get them even for inside here now so Tori for corner side na say chairman ni John Fundi on people them for your own party them day self inside Douala. We say them day some side for Douala where the day for that side for corner at Chukokam. If you want go there, you don't call big people them inside a party. Say make them can she dog. Because check sense how we think them they go inside country. Even palava for war inside Northwest and Southwest. Palava for school on. Palava for say make them vote people them for 2020 now for February. Other thing them so SDF could talk myself so people they ask questions say wait SDF don't run leave that side for Northwest at time where they always they get other meeting inside Northwest It won't be now so since the Palava we don't start Isa Hall, SDF or a meeting na inside Yaoundé or inside Douala. We go begin to talk through that one. Palava them 2 days where we go begin to talk inside this one where you see day 2 for corner side na fire where we hear say he don't the burn for that side for Ngodi na inside Douala the who burn the fire we don't know, but we hear say they never kill man for that side. Even how people the way they never bring water can pour them on top fire, them don't come them for day already. They start the pour the water the fire they finish now. Simon even I told them where them day 2 for corner side where we go begin to they look am today na Palava 2 way we don't hear say it is that so hot for some place them inside northwest and southwest. Them they talk say some people there whether they be na Shinshong them behold them. Now who behold them we don't know, but them come they talk say them behold them say make them give money before they leave them. Except so them can't move them for that side for Muteng and the way they never give money. That one a true talk. Even time where you they go for internet, some people they talk say na lie holding na true or na lie we go begin they see that one when we don't know true thing for on top we go bring no begin the check sense. Plenty other story e dey for corner side where we go begin the talk as a highway we dey go now for front so that may we na begin the see our country e dey work am. Inside Tori today, we go get plenty thing them for the talk where we don't pass inside the week. It make plenty Cameroon people that they check sense. Number one Tori where we make people that they check sense plenty. It be to na Palava Road where we go they look am. The one so where we na they see am so na road for that side where they go for Yaoundé na for inside Yassa side so. If you make and say wait, the road where we don't go, where is to work? They work for this side, work no they sabi go. People come on Yaoundé, na them go stand for you so. Where you don't come on Yaoundé na 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes, you can't reach for Yassa, but for Inter Douala, it no go be easy. Na Logbok away line the long so. That thing worry people they plenty. Self-minister for work people them Inter for that side. He see the kind work. He say why when they work the kind work, begin the dig na hole side we rain the fall plenty. We rent the stand for day. When I could recover the thing now, which time? Minister talk say, we are not feel they fix all the kind of things now for one place, begin the block road, we not there for people them could pass. But same time when he had before, we also he asked that Shinshon man whether I don't ever fix road for some side. We will come back for 2 way. Minister will begin the talk, but now Palava that for road for inside Yassa, where the inside Douala, that road it be trouble people them plenty. Are these fair as na diogam? You will see to Palava for road where we there for this side. It don't worry people them plenty.
Yes, I don't see Palava for this road where there for Yassa. Where before you want come out Yaoundé for reach Douala, it take you long time for enter Douala town. At least it touch me plenty because when I see how people they suffer for day, when man they come out Yaoundé reach for Yassa, it make about 5 hours before reach for inside town. You know fine at all. It make they lost plenty things where they get to can do and maybe sometimes they sleep for here where they not be get to sleep. So that kind of thing fine. With my only way to talk now for say the person where you take that contract for work make sure say he don't work road they may be correct. It make access where people they could pass because if you take contract you must check all that thing them. Say I could make some access, maybe so, make it be so. In case if they block for here, circulation begin past the other side. Then I talk again for this. When I see traffic, it did plenty, so it worry me because sometimes now we self they cause this traffic. We cause the traffic now how because when motor they be in order they work up for line. So one day they come out for back, they go try for block traffic for front because they want pass quick. That one they make say people they try for back plenty. So for me, I see say if road done bad. Maybe we follow the right track for go. Find say some person come for back, he overtake the other one because he want go quick. Every man want go quick. As with the one go quick, it will follow order. All person go quick.
But some question where people them too begin they ask them now say why people the way them sabi talk say now you go dig the road or now them get power for talk say now you go walk the road. Why them go leave and say they start that road they walk now for time we ready for.
That one for start work road time when rain they fall, fine at all. Because it bring problem plenty. Water to the flow for roads. And be easy for say make the work come quick because rain they fall. So for take contract time when rain they fall, work road time when rain they fall, for me be fine at all.
Yeah, Oga Julius, that Palava be there too, so you said be the see man fit think say if you get picking way they come for your own school where them they stay that side for Yassa. Then wake up for morning time before the one come for school door already finished.
Yes, not true. You see, one thing we the Hamburg for this country, not is honesty. Because when you look the time where they get to give the contract and the time where they execute them, I don't see any engineering sense for they. Same man would decide for execute a contract of this nature at the peak of the rainy season. It don't make sense. That means you want to do something, get the money. Even the man will give the contract. It not be normal, except now because they ever give them on percentages. Because you, like a right thinking man, you not fit give contracts, say made a dick road, a major road of that nature by this kind of time. Imagine, say, I be here say people they come out for Douala, they go only a year. They come out for 9 p.m. Reach for a year the next day around 7 a.m. It never ever happened so. That means if for come out for here go Bamenda, it should now pass for come out for here go reach for a year. It not be normal.
And to some other palava, we go now fast inter because we see there now even palava for road. Some other palava for road two way we go talk today. When I see road, the one so not be chocolate them program. Now road that inside Cameroon, the one in there for some village, they call them inside that village in name. We know Sabi correct, but the village so it in another side for Bodmakot. Now some subdivision is inside Nyong and Kele for central region for Cameroon. Rosso wowo na palava for road them that where them day for inside Cameroon. And of course we look and say that road too you don't wowo too, so when you see to the one what's it they worry you for your head?
Well, you see a problem for Africa. When we talk say Cameroon be Africa in miniature, I don't know say Africa in miniature mean I say Cameroon represent all bad thing we did for Africa or all good thing we did for Africa. Because when we look at the nature of the roads, see thing where the people they carry them, I sure they carry na cocoa. When a thing where they bring them, it yield money, it generate income for this country, but yet they be deprived of road. Farm to whether that one a farm to market road or not the major road itself, we not fit understand. But see the cocoa where the people they produce them. Why would you believe say now only for village? Even right inside Douala here, I believe say road around Yasa, they still be like this very road. So me I not see any improvement, me I not see any seriousness with the road network, with what they are doing. It not be normal.
And Oga, for me Joseph, do you palava for road so something we worry too past now say the one in a village way them get things them forgive and for country plenty like we don't see na cacao them get inside that village.
Yes, when I see this nature for road, so it worry. It worry because you see chop where it come out for that side where road there. That one it get to touch the government. Make the news say this road it go in a place where it bring chop for people. So when they leave the road it bad, so people they suffer as I don't see for they carry back them for chop for bring them for town. It not be easy for them for reach for town. It not be fine at all.
Our Oga Julius be they talk so maybe them they check say now because say the road go now for village like the for leave road them for village. They say for Cameroon them they say them not they tar them road for village. Now find things so say village people they not get a right for zero where they don't put contact for the.
No, not be fine thing at all. Village people they get to get correct roads where you could make say they get easy facilities for reach for town. Because if good road not there, they not feel reach town, and where they not feel reach town, now so they not go develop too. We ever talk say road they bring development. So if village there, good road get to go for village, so that made the village develop.
Now true talk that even this one where you see I'm so Oga Julius, that one way when I just see I'm now so them not come up for that one. The one so now some other part for Cameroon they call the one road for go inside Fumbod where you there for Masangam. Now that's for noon division, so for inside West region for Cameroon, them don't go buy bread for town. For inside Fumbod, people for Masangam they wait bread since morning. Motor comes spoil na for road, na so palava for road. Them that two way it day it begin the worry people them. You they check say some people they talk say if road be go for village them plenty palava for chop, palava for money enough for day inside Cameroon.
The truth na say why they abandon the road them for villages. It go make them small time villages go abandon them because they dey for town, we dey for town and so on. But we fail for no say that these villages, they work chop, they work everything, they defeat the town there. So they will get to give priority. Everybody talk say one make extension, one make investment for agricultural sector. Agriculture not be only for bicycling, gogi and for mamide. If they work chop, it come out for farm, it fine and everything. They not get road for carry and bring them for market. They not get road for carry and bring them for the consumers. It be useless. So may we not focus development now only inside the urban area. At the time now, if at all the urban area themselves they even be developed.
Even the Palava, the one inside Douala na big urban area, but with the CCC road, now that's no problem. Someone occasionally go ask one because say though we not get the picture for here, but some newspaper begin to say some big work today where they began for road inside Donga Mantung like 180 million. Some people, na so people for this side, them take money, put in pocket, write big letter, send them for Yaoundé, big paper, talk say road don't finish it. That's sometimes there where we they talk so government go don't give money, na country people they take the money chop.
Yes, that one way you talk so it be correct because when you see many road like this one where they show and so government they give money and people where they take that contract when they take the contract they know the work and fine. Sometimes they take the money put them for their pocket. So every year road go the bad like this one where they know the work or the work go live and for halfway. That one not fine at all. Sometimes we blame government, say government they give money, whereas government they give money and then they take that money put them for their pocket. So what you have to talk and say when they give money, say make person go walk road. May they make sure say they follow the person, may make that road so that the road be fine. It be the quality where people like them, where it merit the money where they give you. Because if they give road, say may they walk them, they not follow up the road for see how the work they go. It could make some people they put money for their pocket and we could cry problem for road every year.
And two way they talk so sometimes two not true, but 2 hours ask Oga Julius na say government too they like say them they sleep for the one way Oga Joseph say them not they give money them not they follow them. Thing we talk so now because say several when I see minister for years so na minister for work people them Emmanuel Ngano Jomesi he international for Yasawe day so if they ask the Chinchon man say wait you don't ever walk road for some side they say no that Chinchon man it say minister way na man we get for look at work get for live big work they do one for man way you don't know it then now who they give them the work.
No, one thing we they believe say expatriate. You see when we come out go out we be na we the work na like slave we do na odd labor but any white man we come for Cameroon na expatriate. So anything we propose they agree. They don't need for know whether you don't do this because me I believe say Cameroonians them they way they fit do that road they fit walk that road it pass so but they believe say when you see white man it means say na expatriate in one then it will be honest. Then for talk say the government give money say may they make road for Ndonga Mantung they take the money they chop them then they na so the villagers they write book here for government say they don't finish the road then I not see whether the people they think now how whether I don't know nothing where they expect because it's just there like that tomorrow it grow for palm tree then woke up they chop that palm tree they check say they chop myself but they don't know say as you chop that palm tree die you too you die.
Yes, but because Palava for the one day they say not they say na country man inside go take am. Thing where never come so some big people then go day way na them get head plenty inside village. When road be the mommy them don't know whether government don't give road or not. People the way they don't go book Simon na so them they gather them right say it don't finish. Save mommy them where them know say that road never finish. Even if them here say they begin for walk that road, them now go check how they go come go Yaoundé, them go come go see na who that thing they so lost na for road. What if they get for do village people them get for do if them get the kind of Palava?
No, wait. I believe say any village get a traditional administration and set up. Any village get a political administration and set up. So any village get DO, any village get the mayor and so on. And I believe saying that these three group of people them they be responsible. They get to visa say yes this project don't be executed. But if not the very people them way not them they get to hold the hands of the villagers because any book where the fit don't write and give for Yaoundé say the work don't complete it means say these three people them people them where they represent these three group them they don't sign up. So that one I'm just confused. I don't know it for Duam. But if the villagers they hear say Yaoundé don't know say the work don't be done where they never do and they get right for all these people.
Okay, Oga Joseph, you be big man, they look out to plenty people them, you are village people them. Well, when I hear say sometimes they don't give road for some village, say them dig road inside Tabikin. For example, them not dig the road, go that place. What you wanna fit do or what if you talk for your country people them for do? Say mommy them where they day inside village where they not know them na road for your own day, they don't know whether na which minister them get for go talk for you.
Yes, if they give contract for road, say make the work road, and then the road no finish, the right book say road don't finish, where road never finish. That one it disgrace too much. Because when they give road, now for say me you work am. If people they lie say road don't finish, where never first finish, you know fine. And for people then for village, for say make they know say they don't take money, they know a first finish road, but the right book for you they say road don't finish. Now for say make the villagers them, they know the right person where they fit go address you. They fit go see maybe the phone or the mayor of the town. They ask them, say this road, they say it don't finish. We don't hear say Bogo don't go for Yaoundé. This road never finish. Why Bogo don't go for Yaoundé? So procedure there for follow up. You know, if I say when they follow up, maybe the right go give for some level, it block for the you know go Yaoundé because when it reach some place it block. Why it block? It block now because maybe it will don't chop for that money. You know one say maybe the Bogo then go Yaoundé.
Well, for me, it not go because any book will fit go for Yaoundé say that road don't finish. Now the people they sign them. Now them they sign them. So for go they ask them. Now work for politicians them that for go they ask them may be useless.
So what's it them give for do nothing I give for understand what it contribute the way they look with so what them give for that palava what them could do if it be say when I go give the man it could lock him because say he said don't chop wipe mob.
Yes, I check say what where they fit do that time. Now just the village people them for organize themselves. Maybe go meet the SDO for AXI.
Do mash or
AXI. That's so peaceful mash. AXI say we don't hear say this road don't finish. Where you know first finish. Because if the match go AXI where for open air, that one I think say media they go hear and they go talk. And when they go talk, they go walk that road.
Okay, you belong the get the same thing where they talk the for situation where it go for this we know where they block sometimes.
No, but for that one truly now work for talk people them like we now because now we now work that we now get to talk. We now be the voice of the society. Now we now get to talk. The public they know. Might be big man for Yaoundé not even know, but when we now talk, he go know say nothing this way they happen.
D'accord, we could leave that palava, we internal na palava for Sika school, we dey go na self start the palava for school na inside Bangem that day na inside Kupe Maninguba for Southwest region for Cameroon. Na picking them that way, them don't stay. So one like 3 years in the palava start inside Northwest and Southwest. Them never see Southwest school day. Even now, so when people they pray, Papa God that say school start for September, they pick them come up for Southwest, them be run go, they can't shit down. They try for CC, they could remember whether them feel count them again, how they never count number, whether them feel sing song them for school again. But self so schools them where they be don't scatter them in all day. Someone them they teach them now that's so for outside for grandstand. Even one the way they not be play ball, how matter be day man no they pass for Southwest gun for the halam. They don't bring them, they play ball now, picking them too, they don't come back, they try for get the one they call them say holiday classes, them they try for see how it will be. But so even uniform not there, plenty question them. They ask them about the palava inside Northwest and Southwest as far as school for September. It be concerned where you dey check sense for inside the palava inside Northwest, you be oga kwata for school, you dey check sense say what if you really disturb this school way them dey pray say make it start for that two region them for September.
Well, me I believe say the solution be simple and the powers where they concern them, they know the solution. This thing be very simple. If government withdraw the military from these areas, these boys them two way they carry gun. They carry the gun on the pretext that they want to defend themselves and the community. Now, if the military they don't come out, it go be needless for carry gun because you carry gun for defend waiting. You not get anything where you want defend them. And so they go drop down their own gun, and when they drop down their gun, school go enter. This is just not just the simple way this will solve this issue. Because when school enter, everything don't go back to normal.
Then the same thing where they check main thing where if he block the thing for inside September, now wait till where they check sense or go for me Joseph.
Yes, wait till where they check sense for school where go turn back for September. When they see begin they try for go for school and then they don't get access for go for school, you know they fine at all. The only thing I say make we allow begin they may they go back for school. May they go back for school. Because whether na government or the other side I should say people the way they could make Cameroon big tomorrow. Now that begin the way they get to go back for school. So for me at the talk say make peace there, make this begin they go back for school. May they go back for school because if they don't go back for school, then we not get better future for tomorrow.
yes, now cry that old people they cry say make them go. So other one too, they never worry people them na issue for the kind teaching too where them never give picking there. Maybe if they be change to some style for where they be teach the picking them, give them that kind teaching where you, for example, you talk say they give a picking them like industrial knowledge them. So if for time where they matter then also like you don't give a picking them, even the one the way they do for her, so maybe them for the work something. Like when I be choose for your outside, I know say they give them industrial. I be see how you are picking they sabi for fix small thing there. Even time where them small.
That's true. You see, the truth na say, education system. Anywhere at the level of the ministry, they try for bring teaching, maybe practical, maybe they carry some certain project.
So now from there you don't get your own style for the team.
Not even so. I get a program where I don't propose ever since, and I dey work on. Destiny Kid bilingual nursery and primary schools now industrial schools starting from this year because we'll get the capacity for training the picking them so that when you enter the school before you want to come out for class 6 you get knowledge and be able for produce cosmetics, sanitary products, you be able for produce some consumable goods like this chocolates, packaging, vinegar, mayonnaise, yes. You be able for produce. If you see
only
the essence
level
of
primary,
school,
that means say picking fit for that side, you already start the work money, even trouble day like the one if he works on some money for family.
They do them already. They do them already. Savon, normal savon, bathing savon, and so on. Nothing them that way. Rubbing oil and all those things. Where to be paint? This paint where they paint these walls day. Nothing where you use cellulose, ammonia, carbonate, and oil. You produce paint today. Why would not go tell picking? Start the picking from childhood. Men get that entrepreneurial idea for mind. When it go big, you know go feel forget about these things. So now the kind of education that way, Destiny Kid bilingual nursery for the Panda Omismo and Bonateki would the plant for the children.
Maybe man could talk it or say that will start a final only for time where man could get all that material they for put them together. But I could begin to come back for you for talk if that want to, if he even works for side where people they like the trouble side northwest and southwest because now so parent they check now sense with it. Now so it's we will continue begin money save no face day and time where you don't get Simon for send and for picking. If picking fee be na one way go come out the work you Simon thing for job it go day so then it go that's so then are correcting. But you when they beg people them say they so make them send picking for school. You deal with other population them. We could have them they like 15,000 only inside Douala and they never talk their brother for village. They hear plenty. We that Ogakota when they talk about this September, they put for table say now wait now be the problem money palava for gone or na palava say school classroom no day or na palava say school them has them their own bonum.
Yes, when we did talk, or I talk to my people then, for say make the kids then go back for school this September. We did talk with the sister palava money to the worry. Palava money the worry and palava insecurity, where security no they the worry. So we on pray and for say may the first put security. When they put security and then money there because now we work the money. Any parent they try for say make again money for sending picking for school, but they fear where they did in our security. As how where government they assure we say they could put security, or if security could be, assure say picking they could go back for school because we community for Douala here we pray and for say make picking they go back for school. We want for see picking them for school for September, but make security it be so that picking they go study book 5.
Mes so one the way they even they na inside village when I brother them way them they so they not forget them the money bad day for them when they prepare some small things to when I give them when only for talk for them say make them send begin someone the way they not even go get money for buy even uniform.
Yes, we fit help them for say make they go back for school. We fit help them now because we know say we get maybe small microfinance them where this cooperative them where we maybe if begin be where you know get money for go school, some of us like elders we fit start like shorty they borrow small money for cooperative then it pay school will begin to go. Now we try that say make they go back for school. Even now how we could try for see how we could raise money make they go back for school.
Yes, now correct palavra. I want to ask you something where Oga Julius it be talk about the on style way they give the on kind sense where they give picking them. That sense they look say find plenty picking them fee go, but when they check they see kind sense where they give picking them whether it not for year or for northwest and south you see say problem there for kind style way they take am for teach pikin them. They for use now the kind style or a day so styles for sense where they give them a see they correct probably not they with them.
Well, I know say teaching no be my domain, but I could try for answer small because I know say we like parents. When you send pikin for school, now for send me pikin go learn. Because pikin no they go for school where it don't really get sense. So all left now for teacher. If pikin come back for school where it no get sense, teacher begin the complain say no, this pikin no get sense. For me, as he say, they blame the go now for teacher because now teacher get to send pikin. Parents don't send pikin for school now because they know say pikin dull. So when pikin come back for school, he get to be clever. So for me, I see say if teacher they try for make the teaching tactics for we country improve so that when pikin dull he go for school, when he come back for school make he get sense.
And they, okay, now Oga Julius, he don't Oga Joseph, he don't answer that thing fine. Say they look for say when I say Mona give them a correct teaching for picking them, but that's so you are when on where you they teach, you don't start to teach them like them day na inside Douala, but at the access so one them where them day for place they inside Bangem, what person they like inside Mwa, so one day like for Bakassi, so escape they feel get the kind style way when they use them take teach picking them but Douala because they no could get means for buy paint.
No, they go get all the means, even though they dey for that side. Not be their parents they come for. People they come out for you go visit village. Business people they come out for they come buy for Douala. For Bamenda, I know all place where chemical shops them dey. I know I'm for Yaoundé. I know I'm all over. So all these things now say when you not there for something, you go pass there they sell them. You not go nothing where they even sell them for there. I dey tell you say like if they talk, the problem not be with the method where they teach. The problem now with the thing where they teach. Now imagine say I will send my pikin for school. May go who discovered the sea road to India? Who discovered this? All those things not pay. Who is the Prime Minister of Cameroon? Just think like last year. Who is the Prime Minister of Cameroon? You don't plant them for all picking their mind. They say young Philemon.
Yeah.
The one come on the next day. They don't change young Philemon. That knowledge be expired. Instead for teach the picking them say Prime Ministry for Cameroon be in charge of what? Because they will never change the prime ministry, but they go change the prime minister. So the problem now the thing where they teach them. Now why that would they bring this innovation? Say, Pikin, when you start plan entrepreneurial idea for Pikin in mind, when it grow up, innovate change. Now why that the Chinese system of education, you see most of the things that way would they use them would the Chinese world be developed because they teach their Pikin them from the primary school. All that kind of thing. So now why that Destiny kid would decide for industrialize the education?
Yes, I want to have a ton. I say maybe that would on you they talk, you they sweep more plenty. Time where they even pray say picking the way they don't run war for inside Norwest and Southwest make them go back. You are on talk the sweep plenty. They say people them feed desire say make them not go back. Them come for see now you for that side. Escape go then how. Maybe yes, because say the sweet plenty, then they say all man could say no could go back for that side, them could come that so meet up now you so that begin the even time with them they small, them could begin the check sense. Now so we get some small thing where mommy for banging they be talk, we listen that thing where we don't come, we go change topic, talking a different thing.
To avoid
we dey cry for some ways. We dey cry some way where our pikin did not go school. So that one they make we even as we did for years so we will not be happy. As school they can't start again, we not hear anything either good or the best make government do something, not any other thing but school for pikin. The pikin they don't turn animal for village. Girls they carry belly, boys they thief for people their farms there. Now so holla. You when you go farm so you want come even a small chop in their house begin they go scatter house inside. Get they carry belly, some they we don't know thing for talk. Let the peace come. Let peace come. That's so they cry. Let peace come. You don't cry any other thing for this blood apart from peace. The peace they make all things they go before. Even like the market so we descend now so we go shop for market from 6 to 6 before man go get 1 franc. 6 to 6. But first time we school we there for we place here on this banger GTTC colleges them. One beat 1 o'clock. Any man we don't can say don't sell it go. See young them. Gotta go remain for market here now so
yeah, I think they come back small, but things they never change the way they're supposed to change.
Country they still shake, we still get fear. They still shake, never change that kind of way. May do something, may do something. No, may do something. That's all the one time. Now other one, go no one that fight, that up and down, no fine. The kid they know to go with school. May do something quick because even now so man nobody will not be ready for them picking them for school because we still get fear. They try to do something. Try to do something. But even now so no man like me, so I don't say people for school because things they never change. You see that today.
Animal them. That people want to animal them. But they don't do it. Girl, there's most of them do their leg short. Unexpected. I said don't turn an animal. Don't turn animal. So the lip pain which is very badly. I will not get no option. The only is see the bleed, make school try start. Increase make school try start. Yes.
Not be happy. At school they can't start again. We not hear anything either good or the best thing government do something. Not any other thing but school. For picking the they don't turn animal for village. Girls they can't.
Now that palava them that papa mommy them they talk they beg say me picking they go for school but some mommy too talk say them they see fear before trouble there for that side that part talk with honor security how we don't hear the part talk say the picking them not turn be na animal them for that side is the thing if fine so you don't join us chairman for the palava for talk how we with that September could then inside northwest and southwest or it they say mommy them they want say me picking them go for school because picking them don't turn on animals of one them but they see fear.
Couple I fit tell you say for northwest southwest fear day. I never see people the way they go get that heart for send that picking for school because if you know what happen for governor for northwest when he come up from Campbell, calm down. Go from Bengui. If you know the way it happen, and then come from Bengui, go inside Fundong. I think if you know what happen with gunshots, where this boy them attack them for go and time for come back. And then if they walk out with armor cars, then they attack them, they shoot. Then which papa or mommy go get that conscience say he go take a pikin, send her for school, the pikin go come back safely. Now the thing now with the talk say. What the government don't do for help the population for Northwest Southwest me they go back for school because not only for sing me they go back for school couple because normally they begin to make ceasefire will be waiting for the both sides but now they don't talk about ceasefire they don't talk about dialogue they don't talk people them go back for school they don't burn schools them they burn houses people they there for butches which for government them make them they come back for school that's not what they talk so no guarantee no day. You don't hear what mommy talk. Say fear day. Even now, my pikin go Bamenda last time for Bamenda. Fear they are bringing back for Douala here. And at the same thing with my brother, we start with the opposite side. So I don't think say government don't do anything for help the Anglophones or the Northwest Southwesterners.
The palava for talk say fear, palava talk say shoot so. Them hours some newspaper we don't talk for weeks say even people them where them they fight for the opposite side them where they want commode them too they don't accept me school B whether that one are true I don't know but if it's not true then government wants say school B then would they fear now who where you could shoot picking them
would they fear army they shoot would they fear civilian they shoot so the both sides they shoot because when the civilian them come out with gun army not go shoot down. And now the same thing to where if army come out through the one side shoot, civilian and two come out with gun. So straight bullet will take anybody. So what do you think say the guarantee go make us say picking and go school when they start fight, straight bullet no take some picking. So now the thing that we will talk couple where that is confidence no day. We don't lose confidence for this government because they don't help the citizens. That is, they don't help them for anything for about me school go back. Oh, we like us to school go back. No man don't like our born picking that picking be door picking. All we would like more picking and go school. But they'll go school for which condition couple? That which condition they picking will go back for school. And last time they take my chances, they go to distributor with chop. Not that it be important. I be think say government, the government see the houses other than Bonham. So even I just about houses or plan houses, they make a million people that come out can't stay for day. You quite remember myself from my former school for Secretary of Amenda. I mean the guide that school and they can't burn that school. I mean last year. I mean the guide that school that then clear set the field. But that very day they declare that fee, that same night, they burn that school.
Yes, okay.
So guarantee no day.
Now, so we'll leave that palava for a school so because we don't talk about that palava school, then into two inside the crisis where they worry. Now they don't talk how that mama they don't talk that issue them. Now we begin the check sense so that for September it will change. But now so too that crisis so you don't drive no be na only people they for village. Someone them day two way even a traditional role of them. So one day even be when na normal country people the way they run for that crisis. Be them day now inside Douala, them day for different side them. As how they see and for picture. So now we could have we don't use the crisis. They will talk about the displaced people them. Now one of we now motive that, but to some other issue now say me we bring people them back together so that may them begin see say some headman could they will begin to head them inside Douala. The issue for displace traditional ruler them now an example, and they don't displace other people them we will go to begin to see and when I use some style inside Douala for security may all man they na under one man because they so when plenty people they don't dey inside Douala plenty where they been a head boy them for village trouble the day man no the year thing for correct man we give for 10 people them thing it is so when man they talk it on man they talk it on a problem the day now we'll give another idea and when I be one say make it work now how.
Yes, the idea where we don't see say if fine say we get a chief for Wimbom for Douala here now because we don't see say we Wimbom clan for Wimbom land we get many chiefs them we get about 33 chiefs them for there. And for that 33 chiefs them, most of them they here now. And as they here, most of them they try to give order for Wimbom people the way they did Douala. And when this chief maybe he give his own idea or he want for control Wimbom people the way they did Douala, they know here we see say picking them for a village, they not gonna be happy at all. Because any man like a chief, any man wants to make a chief a role. So as we be there for here, we not be get that idea for saying we put chief, but chief be the exist for Douala since we be get chief the first chief for Douala we been a pass Sabi Penchep, the second chief he been a Paiwai, the third chief they not put on quick. So as this matter come up now we see the chiefs they don't be plenty for Douala now which chief go talk and then we go here. Now that time we bring this idea say no if find some we put the third chief when a chief Bakari the third so that when chiefs they come up for village camp for here, he could make sure say he guide the chiefs then fine. He make sure make the chief they be for correct place where all people they could see and then respect it. So for this chief we get them for Douala. No be saying a traditional chief where we don't put them. No be traditional chief. We don't use any traditional right for put the chief. Now say Douala it they mix with people they want to come up for different village and they get their different chiefs them. So we see say as we they mix, we will put one chief and that one chief. Now that's what chief say big honor we don't give it say chief. We don't use any tradition for say make we put it like chief.
But are they okay now chairman me I go ask your honor say we don't the palava we don't see you don't push no be only country people them for on side north west and south mem traditional like them they don't run that the day inside Douala. The people they don't na find idea that because now so people they look all corner way for say make them live too fine. One of the begin plenty reason, but one of the reasons that issue where the world does scatter people the inside northwest and southwest.
Yes, Capo, I think say na very good initiative, but I think say the real level put a lot of people as representatives of a chief for Douala here. That means they cover the village for Douala here. If I understand what you and my brother talk for the, that is they don't choose one person where they say the person if he handle that post, where if he gather people the villagers for Douala here, they put it like representative for chief. So that when the chief for village, when they come for Douala, this representative will put them here, it will inform all the village people that they Douala, they will gather now for receive that chief, and I will be the representative. I think like we for some go together very system where we get a representative to for Douala here when a chief, when I represent fund for village, and we fund to for some if they Douala here too, but he don't just go back to Bamila, we just come to a small visit, I will go back. So I think it's a fine initiative because I don't talk say government know they do anything will help the Anglophone them because everybody help. No, always on chiefs they don't run, but some people they don't run, even picking them. Now when I see Gamboga, they don't open this school and this empowerment center where it form that is make me picking them from primary school. They start know how to make things for primary school to secondary school, and they get that evening school where they come up where if it goes school, go run halfway, if you still come back carry stuff right O level and advanced level. So I think that one of the good things, and that way one of this will brother Eddie Duan for that side too.
Yes, yes. Now one of the good initiatives are because all man they find a way for bring them together. But me, I want to say maybe for their own case in Songwa, for example, then we get a strong man when a chief of village, na one village. But this situation where the Ogai they did a quarter for place where na plenty village them. They come, but now the same country people them, they get plenty village them. That means say the chief them feel be plenty where they come. Them they na so the matter they na so plenty chief they all come up for different village they for that side, them they for here. So that issue now, if the chief talk, the people them way they now people for that village say they talk say they go here and sing where their own chief don't talk. The other chief talk, they go talk say they go here and sing where their own chief don't talk. They go they say now the country people then they go begin to follow now village matter, but we all them then inside Douala.
Now the
difference that.
Now the thank you couple. I think say now always say what get this crisis mean they come back to the one, need to be one. Well that division, I don't know why the division would be.
Yeah.
If they got all the chiefs, they talk say 33 of them. If they 33 of them, then they choose one. Where if we cover the other one, then I think that's a very good thing. That is that they share the common cake, and that the thing that will be talk for this country say the Anglophone will not get problem Anglophone Francophone. The problem now say we get a particular problem with the crime they solve this problem. Now that national cake will get for divide them for the two people then.
Okay.
So one person now if he take the national cake for chop, while the other person get just small. Where it make another people they cry. So these chiefs are going to get that 33, these villages are going to get under Wimbum subdivision. I think say they make one representative where if you cover all them, it will be fine.
Yes, so even
goodness of the villagers.
Okay, them tell you they plenty before one they come on they look other thing them but escape all your people them they don't they one they see say na fine thing how way brother they salo say na fine thing for that side. If they worry some people them for bad way or all man they fine with the start thing we don't do them.
No, all man they fine for the idea we don't bring them for say may we get a chief for here where you could make sure say when all chief them for village don't come here may they be in good hands. All will contribute the day here, they be very satisfied, they be happy. As I don't tell you, this chief we don't put them, no be traditional chief. We traditional chief them for village, we respect them, we give them right. Traditional chief for village, past this chief we don't put them for here 100 times. But now say since for here no be village,
okay,
we don't
we'll
put
come
it,
back, we'll come back, begin talk that thing. But now so me will pass some announce them first. How we them they tell we for machine. Me will pass out, we will come back after that announce, begin talk that thing then fine. Yes, country people, she don't find, we come good again, we don't do that small announce so palaver for thing the way we get for go buy am, thing the way we get for go begin the do am. Now so we be asking question for Oga for major say we be na Oga quarter for these people them say that matter too they say if you know take time explain them for person like how I don't just do with chairman for years so man no go understand if man no understand it could begin think say we don't form na some village inside Douala.
Yes, thing you talk they fine. You just get na say maybe we explain that for people they may they understand fine. Because some people the way they talk say they don't put chief for Douala. They talk where they know they get the right information. We put chief for Douala and chief for Douala. No be say we use na traditional right for put chief. We not use no traditional right for put chief. As I don't tell you, this chief we put them for Douala be under chiefs them for we village. We just put them for say when chiefs then come for here may they be fine. So when people they talk, they ask all those questions, say we not get right for put chief for here. No, but we don't put that. No, but we be the first person for put the chief. Before I come Douala, the chief, Wimbum chief be the exist for Douala. We get the first chief, as I don't talk so. The first chief where we been a chief, Sabi Benchep. Oh, but they don't put them for here. He died. They put the second one when at Paraguay. He died. Now this time around, we don't put the third chief so that make the work they go before because we know one say we community for Douala begin go down. So if some people they check and say we don't put chief the way they put them for village, no, we don't use the system where they put them for village. Put and chief. We just give their name say this one now we chief and we respect them.
And we be too important for time we the matter now don't they increase people then they run village them all village they internet inside Douala. If you find say me we not forget that matter again how we some second one be they come live up sometimes so they not put them. From chairman you see say if that matter they not test some man could think say them go bring one for village come put some man for Douala how we never put them you know how we tradition they for Northwest strong.
Yes, so we'll get a very good and powerful strong tradition for the whole Northwest, that is Northwest and Western Province, they almost get the same culture. So as I always talk, I say when my brother talks that I put first right he die, put second right die. The third one with the fears is on that plane they put me so I feel go die too. Because when they put the first chief die, put second die, anyone will come
no go live forever.
and that kind of post na post where people that they envy and plenty. So but how way now right for the people them. People they don't choose their phone. The chief for Douala year when I be the representative couple and no see they go respect it, I go work with the people them.
Yes.
And not being that kind of chief way. It go one for talks because I be chief objective soldier level up. So it go work with the villagers and everything will move smoothly.
Yeah, Palava for that one we go to talk because matter for that war so you don't worry people there. Even inside week now Christian Cardinal told me that he said vex say how if it be say up to 3 years them they see should keep people inside northwest and southwest, school still dey down, hospital them born, village them people run leave them all. Who they make all the kind thing them. He talk say wait they over vex plenty. He say Cameroon must solve the problem. He don't vex it because say some people they don't take the country she don't on top they say if you been a papa a thing. Chairman, you take say the Turiwe Cardinal to me nakam so they correct?
Very correct because now I think an icon inside this country and especially for the Southern Cameroonians because now person where it goes school, it gets sense, I don't stop. Now papa, grandpapa, it don't stop, we talk about dialogue. It's to me the two parties they come down, will make a conference table. We should done we talk. Government fear. I don't know the reason why government be fear. Because if the government fear, the government be fear because the government
other people then become
no the government
deny
they chose the people they hate. If you get the people that be shit down, you get Cardinal Tumi, you get the moderator for Presbyterian Church, Funky Samuel. I get the one for Muslim them, where be that the imam. So I think these people that be shit down, they since they pray, God choose them. They say they tell government say we want me to make dialogue, me they should make conference table for Boya. Mr. Ikema, how when I see people, it deny, say no one time Boya Bonai hometown. I don't know how mayor get powers past governor when a governor the command that town. But without that, there's choose different venue. It still fail. I think that good initiative when Mr. Cardinal to bring them. And when one talk about this dialogue, people they confuse dialogue and negotiation. Now two different things. Dialogue and negotiation are two different things. I quite remember time Prime Minister go off of Bamenda. It go work our peace plan. It talk about more put gun them, they'll come for dialogue and so on. But now they go for negotiation, they talk say, well, one for negotiate. May they keep separation out. May they keep this one out. We'll talk only about this. When you want to come for dialogue, would they come for dialogue for talk? All man can talk with you the worry, and they will talk about if fancy more doing this. Even a federation will do federation, will accept them. Me, I'm not like small divide. But if they will play for divide because the system is then worst. It worst. And then tribalism there inside. So when Cardinal Tumi be talk about dialogue, as he say, it been a very good thing.
Now when the dialogue too, no, they we come that very Christian Cardinal Tumi, we see inside Douala, it meet up some strong political people, them, some civil society man them, even traditional ruler and other one them for different church them can't talk for Douala say na federation it could solve the palaver inside northwest and southwest. Federation na another way for dialogue. That federation it gets set for come now how and you say you think say that palaver for federation if you stop the trouble inside northwest and southwest.
Now one step ahead, couple. Now one step ahead. I think say if they be done when they first start about ceasefire now see me the military they return back to their camps and then me the Ambazonia boys they put their gun there for down and then when that one happen the next thing as we should done we make a dialogue. After dialogue we make a negotiation. Then now from there we talk about federation. Federation, people get 10 state federation. If me any region it get autonomous for its own state, I think say for that one it go better and it go solve the problem and before problem will finish. So Ambazonia no go yell Ambazonia. All thing goes finish quarter. Me they come down for table me will talk. I'm not gonna like me picking to go school for this side, for the other side of the southern zone. Schools they no go, it not be normal. It not be normal.
Oga, for me, Joseph, you say when you hear it talk, say federation, you check sense so they understand that thing. If yes, you understand, you see say now another step how we chairman don't talk so for stop the palaver inside northwest and southwest.
Yes, when I hear about federation, I think the reason is fine because thing where Cameroonians they want them, the one thing where you could find them. Could find for all Cameroonians them. I'm not sure say Cameroonians the one thing where it could bad for them. we want thing where we go find for we. So the only thing I for say, when problem don't be, solution they always come at. Solution they always come at. So my owner say, make the authorities them for this country, make they try look a solution where it go fit all Cameroonians them, where it go suit all Cameroonians them. Because as I don't talk, if problem there, solution must come out. If solution not come, we not fit solve the problem. So we will try for find the solution the way where everybody could be equal for this country. Yes.
Okay, now Chong talk that for see way all man could be equal because they say some people they don't they shit on top that chop, so then they want chop not only them so that many people they come back. But it did say fundi auditing them now try the one if them talk the one try the one if now them know they sing dialogue will not be then they talk about federation. It did say if it falls so that means say all people they just turn around for the country we not even know maybe you get for the prayer Papa God again.
Well, we don't pray, we don't do everything, we don't want me to come from that. The only solution that because when these people they stop for that side for that they play with the day for inside court houses, inside society houses, and then they know the thing about the people that they die every day. Armies they die, gendarmes they die, civilians they die, not Cameroonians they die.
All of them.
You know, calm down together, we soften the heart. We don't forget about the blood drink is the way they drink for that side, because when you drink blood, you don't think about human feelings.
All right, we go leave that to so we go talk the announce for the picking way it don't lost. We mami bring the announce so we go talk now for Manuel a country talk, Emmanuel Macron a country talk where them say na Madame Tchatcho et Marie Noël annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Tchatcho Tagué Dalen, âgé de 18 ans. Il serait sorti de la maison mardi le 6 août 2019 pour une destination inconnue et depuis le jour il n'est pas retourné au domicile familial situé au village, le dit Kim Kolata, élève en classe de premier au F4. Le jeune garçon s'exprime bien en français et joue de toutes ses facultés mentales. Madame Tchatcho prie tous ceux qui le reconnaîtra ou l'hébergera de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant. Le premier numéro 699 55 68 74. Je reprends le premier numéro 699 55 68 94. Deuxième numéro 666 59 68 03. C'est 676 59 78 03. Le dernier numéro c'est 678 43 85 58. Je reprends le dernier numéro 678 43 85 et 58. Ou encore le rapproché de la radio Equinox située au mobile Bonakwama à Aqua. We think say we don't take them for that country talk with them don't write them. So we talk na say the people when I see so in name na Marie in name na they don't talk say in name na Tchatcho Tagué Dalen where he get na 18 years they don't come up for their house since na the day we na Tuesday number 6 for the month them never see so person way in no place where he dey. Made them bring them for Equinox radio or television for Mobi Bonakwama because the village they stay na for that side for village for place where they call and say Kim Kolata. If the person not bring them or if they far away, if you call the number 699 55 6894 699 55 6894. Some other number too na 676 59 7803 67659 7803 or the last number we na 678 43 8558 678 43 8558. Now the number then that way if you see the picking way when they see so that young man too where they see go school for that side for village inside Douala, me when I call that number them or when I bring it for inside Equinox Tory house. Now for side them that way we don't end the Tory debate inside Equinox today. With the time when we don't stay with we all time we don't start that thing till now. So with the time even people the way them we don't deal with we For start for this side, I begin Oga now. For me, Joseph, now we could have big man. Oga Kwata inside Douala. Oga, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
For accept our invitation and for all the talk we don't give it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we the talk say me work and find how we go back for your country people them. We too we get chairman we now our man for Isa House. Chairman too he become join we for time we last week the day the hammer. Our chairman the ever hammer. So chairman, thank you again. Say you don't come.
Thank you, Capo. I want to salute all the Sangwa people them and the fun of Sangwa de Douala and where they go back to Bamenda today. And one of my sisters too, nowhere with there for Shisham Hospital for Aqua Norway. We take care of it. May God bless Almighty take care of it.
And palava for that Oga Live we will be talk so we talk sorry for family for Oga Live.
Yes, and I want to say